Well, at least they packaged it well. What do we have here? That's right, if you couldn't guess already, we have some OEM BMW amber taillights, and somewhere in here is also, man, this guy really packaged it well, but kudos to him, I appreciate that. We also have the amber corner lights. So probably you can guess by now, I am going to go join the amber gang. I think it'll really look well with the carbon black. I'm a little hesitant on it because I really like the way the car is currently set up. I think this will actually look really good. So yeah, like I said, these are OEM BMW amber LED tail lights for the coupe. Really excited because they don't come up for sale that often, and especially not local in Canada. So when I saw it come up for sale, I knew I had to scoop them up. I'm gonna throw these on. Hopefully I like the way it looks. I hope you guys like the way it looks. But yeah, super excited to join the amber gang. Let's get it. All right, so for the install, we're obviously gonna have to go in the trunk to do this. Taking this out shouldn't be all that hard. There are 3 bolts, one here, and then one behind the carpet that are gonna need to come out. So now that I have the tail light out and carpet removed, you can see what a mess my trunk is. But most importantly, you can see how I'm able to connect these LCI tail lights. So for those who don't know, this is early built 2003. So technically this is a pre-LCI car. So it didn't come from factory with the LED tail lights. So what I needed to do was run an adapter, this little thing right here, that allows me to connect the LED tail lights to my car without any errors on the dash. So you can see here, left, so obviously it goes on the left side of the car. These just plug into the tail light and no errors. So ECS tuning, and I think probably returning will solve these adapters. So if anyone wants to do this and they're running a 2003 and earlier car, you're gonna need these adapters. All right, so buttoned everything up. You guys ready for this? Boom. It's a little small sneak peek of what it'll look like. I'm gonna quickly do the other side and then I'll give you guys a full impression of how the car looks like. So there we have it, boys and girls. That is what a full amber set of LED taillights look on the car. It looks really good. I'm just gonna turn the car around, quickly do the fronts. It's finally nice and sunny outside, so I'm gonna take the car outside once the fronts are complete and show you guys what it looks like out in the light. Carbon black should be popping, so it'll give you a really good idea what it looks like with the carbon black and the ambers on it. So let's turn this bitch around. What do you think? Should I just leave it like that? Thanks for watching, guys. Please let me know what you guys think of the new look. I personally love the way the amber sets off the carbon black, especially in the sunlight, as you're seeing here. But I'm anxious to hear what you guys think. Did I make the right choice? Should I have stuck with the clearest? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.